Then, arms down. Meron dyan, invite pa rin natin yung mga kids na wala pa dito sa ating event area. Let's count at 10 seconds. Sabihin nyo kami na bilang kids. 10, 9, 8, 7,
5,
4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so nandito na lahat sa lahat ng ating mga kids. Okay, kids, when I say hi, you say hello, okay? So, hi, kids! Hello! One more, hi, kids! Hello! Excited na ba kayo para sa ating sports game? Excited na ba kayo makapagpigilala dyan? Oh, very good yung mga kids natin. Then para naman sa ating mga parents and guardians, can you move outside of the event area to maximize the space for the kids? Okay. So kids, bago tayo magsimula sa ating sports game for today, magpapakilala po muna kami, ha?
Yani!
We are the event team of Izuna SM Riau. I'm your host,
Yani! Huwag ka malikot.
Kasama natin si Ate Melody at si Kuya Kaiko. Hi, kids! Okay, sino nakakilala sa ating star mascot as umay? Anong name niya? Lala Chan. So, kilala ka. Lala Chan ang ating mga kids. So, shout natin yung name ni Lala Chan na, okay? So, our bubbly and lovable and cute mascot from Japan, the father of Big Squirrel, walang iba kundi si Lala Chan! Okay, sobrang excited si Lala Chan ang pag-listen. Excited din ba kayo, kids? Okay, so bago tayo maglaro, kids, mag-warm up dance muna tayo para maboost yung energy natin, okay? So may tuturo kami mga basic step ni Lala Chan, okay? So kung backward ka, ate baka makakamatay ni Lala Chan, okay? So first step, Lala Chan, ano ba yung first step natin? So move your body like this. Up and down, up and down. Second step, Lala Chan. Move your hands like this, sabi ni Lala Chan. Right and left. Right and left. Okay, so yan yung mga basic step para sa ating warm-up dance. So ready na ba kayo, kids, mag-dance? Ready na daw sila. So, music please. Kaya tayo go. Stop. And sige natin. And stop. And up. Very good, kids. Down. And up. And stop. Isa tayo, kids. And move your hands like this. And down. Keep your hands in the right. And down. And roll it. Left. And right. And down. Yay! Wow, good job yung ating mga kids, ah. So, kids, let's all sit down, ha? Sit down po tayo. Sit down. Okay. So, ang games natin for today is ay tinatawag na Tug of War. So, sa larong Tug of War is, ano yung kailangan natin? Anong kailangan natin sa larong Tug of War? Anong tawag dito? Rope, okay? So, kids, dito pa lang yung mechanics ng ating game, okay? So, meron tayong Team A at Team B, okay? So, kids, meron una, nakababa yung rope natin. Then, second, nakataas dapat yung dalawang heads natin, okay? Then, ito pag sinabi ko, in 3, 2, 1, go! Tsaka nyo hilaan yung rope. At pag sa unang round, kanina napunta yung pink flag. Anong team? Team, which is team? A. Okay? So, meron na wapo para sa ating team A. So, ganun lang yung gagawin natin, kids, okay? So, naintindihan niyo? Okay. sabi nila, opo. Okay, kids. So, meron lang din tayong safety reminders para sa ating tug of war, okay? So, first reminder natin dyan ay no jumping at the top of the aircraft area. Second natin dyan, no pushing. Okay, walang magtutalaga ka. Pumunta tayo sa aircraft area. Third natin dyan, no hold the rope firmly. Okay, hawakan natin mabuti. Sinurot ako nila na dyan. Hold the rope firmly. Then last sila na dyan. Be sports and enjoy the game. Okay, naintindihan niyo yung ating safety reminders? Parang isa, dalawa, tatlo ang nakaintindi. Naintindihan niyo, kids? Okay naman ang ating mga kids. So let's all stand up. Stand up dahil bubuo tayo ng dalawang grupo. Okay, this is Team A, then Team B. So kids, listen. Group yourself into A. Go kids! Group yourself into A. Come on kids!
Kuya,
This
you
is Team A,
here.
then Team B.
Yan.
Team B kay Ate Melody at Team A para kay Kuya Kaiko. Pila po tayo? One line lang kids, one line. Kulang po kay Ate Melody. Ilan po sa inyo Kuya Kaiko? Yung iba po, case na kay Kuya Kaiko sa Team B. Okay, meron po members
Huwag
sa
ka
team.
manulak ha. Huwag mo push ha. Okay? Huwag push. Huwag jump. Ha? No jump.
Nabawasan sa inyo.
Don't jump. Okay?
Isa.
Yeah, you pull the rope. Okay?
Okay, here's arms forward kayo. Arms forward. Arms forward, sabi nila dyan. Okay, punta tayo lalagyan dito sa ating TV. Okay, dito sa ating side, kids, kayo ay Team A. Okay, so anong team kayo, kids?
A.
A. Anong team na yan, kids? Sabi na BA. Ano ba talaga? Anong team na yan?
A.
May magkakas advice ko. Kids, kayo ay Team A. Okay, so ready na ba kayo, Team A?
Yes!
Sabi na, so, para dito sa ating side, kids, kayo ay Team B. Okay? So, anong team kayo, kids? Team B. So, kids, Team B, ready na ba kayo? Oo, malakas yung Team B natin. Come on. So, kids, okay, arms forward kayo. So, pupunta tayo sa ating aircraft area to be followed by Team A, then Team B. Come on, let's get it.
Go na, go!
Sa pagbak sa ating stairs ng ating aircraft area. Come on,
Huwag
let's
siya hubad damit. Hubad siya ng damit eh. Hubad. Mag-hubad siya ng...
Okay, kids,
Mahubad ng
yung ating
damit.
safety reminders. Kids, no pushing, no jumping at the top of the aircraft area. Hold the rope firmly and be sports and enjoy the game. Team A. Okay, wala naman hawak ng ating rope. Wala naman hawak ng rope, kids. Hands up kayo lahat.
Yani, you stay here.
Hands up, nasa pretty.
Okay, later. No.
Hands up.
No, don't jump. Stop jumping. Stop jumping. Dito tayo.
Okay, hands up muna lang, kids. Hands up. Last kamay.
You can pull it later, okay? No, don't touch.
Pag sinabi ko lang
Don't
go,
touch.
tsaka natin hahawakan
Okay.
yung rope, okay?
Hands up.
Hands up. Okay. Kompleto po sa inyo, ating melody.
Yani, hands up.
Kuya Kaiko, move forward po para sa team B. Move forward po dito. Move forward, kids. Then meron din dito po sa side. Ano po sila? Partner.
You pull the rope.
Partner. Okay, Ate Melody, partner po. Move forward ka, kuya. Yan. Hands up muna kids, hands up. Bawal lang nahawak ng rope, okay? Pag sinabi ko lang go, saan nating hawakan yung rope, okay? So, hands up.
Don't.
So, Team A, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Team B, are you ready?
Yeah.
Malakas sila kasi sa Team B. Team A, galingan nyo ha. Siguro nag-ipon sila ng lakas. So, hands up, kids, hands up. Okay, para sa mga parents and guardians, let's cheer our kids, okay? So, hands up, kids. So, simulan natin yung first round ng
Ready?
tug of war.
No.
So, let the game begin in 3, 2, 1, go! Ang winner natin ay ang Team A! Good job, kids! Sabi na nga ba, nag-ipon lang sila ng lakas eh. So, pila po ulit tayo, kids. Team B, balik po sa pwesto. Balik po sa pwesto, kids.
Okay, line
Balik po ulit sa
natin.
pwesto. Okay, hands up. Ulit, hands up, kids. Hands up. Taas kamay. Taas kamay. Taas kamay, walang hawak ng rope. Taas kamay.
You stay there, Yani.
So, para sa ating unang round, lalatsa ng panalo.